So guys, that's all the half laps cut. It's about 46 of them cut. Lots of sanding, lots of finishing left to do. But first, let's see if everything fits together. Good morning guys. To show you what I've done, I've added a base, disassembled the whole top. And now just to give you an idea of what's going on in my head, I'm going to just pre-assemble quickly just to show you what the plan is. So guys, that's the idea for the bottom part of the piano. Please leave comments, tell me what you think about my plan. For the next video we will continue with the top part of the piano, making the places for the glasses, adding some detail in the back. I'm going to put a LED on top, LED strip on the bottom, just to give it some light, make it a little bit lighter. It's a very dark color piano. So guys, please subscribe, support my channel. Thank you very much.